Hi, my lovely YouTube friends. Today I'm showing you how to make one of the most popular salad from Germany. And I lost 2.5 kilos or 5.5 pounds by eating it just in a week. Please stay with me till the end of this video because there is a secret and tips in the process of cooking. Let's get started. Steam 600 grams of normal potatoes. You may boil them too, but I prefer steaming because I like it chewy and easy to peel off the skin. I have washed my potatoes. To my knowledge, this is the easiest way to deal with peeling off potato skin. What do you think, my friends? Do you know any other method? Please share with me in the comment below, okay? I would be happy to learn from you. Bring them to boil in a highest heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. And after that, switch down the heat to the medium-low. In this case, my stove heat is number 4. Then leave them to be steamed for about 20 minutes. And of course, you can adjust the steaming time depending on how big your potato is. Mine is medium-sized potatoes. If they are small, you may just steam them for 15 to 16 minutes. If they are big, then you might need 23 to 25 minutes. I need a cucumber. Wash cleanly. And then we are going to peel off the skin because this is not an organic cucumber. It's good to take out some of the white sap by rubbing the end of it. You know, guys, it usually causes the bitterness. Now let's prepare a grater and a bowl because I'm going to grate it. Take care of your fingers, guys. After this, saute the grated cucumber with a little salt. I dropped too much of salt, so later I have to wash it. Please do not squeeze out too much of its juice. We need it wet and juicy. So please just put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt so that you need not wash it. Just take away some of its juice will do. It's great, not too salty. Open up the lid after 1 hour to let potatoes cooling down. This is a perfect tenderness. Here are the spices we need for the sauce. Herbal vinegar, but you can use your preferred vinegar. Some coarse pepper, cooking oil, and vegetable stock powder. Here, I'm using a vegan vegetable stock powder. It is accessible in everywhere, I'm sure. Of course, you may use your preferred powder. And potatoes are available for peeling now. You can see how easy to peel off the skin. I learned this method of steaming potato after I moved to Germany. Surprisingly, many of the Germans I know do not know this secret. I learned it from an old farmer who sadly has passed away 2 years ago. I've learned some German kitchen secrets from her. I was lucky enough. So guys, today I share with you one of the secrets I learned from my seniors. Take care of fingers when slicing the potatoes. Slice a normal thickness, about 3 millimeters. I believe you also have a famous salad from your country, don't you? Please tell me in the comment section. I'll reply you with love. Next time, I think I'll make a popular salad from my home country too, Indonesia. Stay with me, okay? I was born in Indonesia but migrated to Singapore 30 years ago. That's a long time. And now I have migrated to Germany. Please let me know if you are from Indonesia, okay? Let's prepare the sauce. A full teaspoon of vegetable stock powder mixed with 4 teaspoons of hot water. Mix well until the powder dissolved in the water. Pour 3 teaspoons of vinegar into the mixture. If you have apple cider vinegar, you can use it too. It goes well with any kind of vinegar as long as it has no sugar content. Some people use lime or lemon juice too. Some coarse white or black pepper. Do a little stirring to mix them well. And now we are going to pour the dissolved mixture into the already sliced potatoes. Coat them well with the sauce. I'm leaving the cooking oil the last. You know why? Because I'm going to coat the cucumber with it. This is the tip I learned from my German husband. He said this way will make the salad taste nicer. We don't want to pour the oil on the potatoes because the potatoes absorb oil really quick. So we want the salad looks glossy and pouring it onto the cucumber. And finally, we mix them together to get a nice glossy salad with just a tablespoon of oil. And done. This salad is always seen in many festive gatherings. It is also a daily salad in most German families. My husband usually enjoys it with schnitzel or sausage, and I like to go with my vegan meat or fried tempeh. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.